Hyenas already have a pretty bad rap. Between the snarling, the scavenging, and the blood-curdling laugh, these animals don't need another characteristic to make them scary. But we found one: deadly sibling rivalry. These 190-pound predators live in a strict hierarchy. Like the military, every hyena has a rank. The higher your rank, the more you get to eat. Females take the top spots, and like a royal family, pass their status on to their children. So whatever your mother's rank is your rank. But there's one problem. A mother hyena can't always provide for all her young. And the least aggressive cub will least likely survive. Which means the struggle between siblings for dominance starts almost immediately after birth. Weighing less than 3 pounds, the hyena pups are born with open eyes and sharp teeth, which they promptly turn on each other. Eventually, 2 sister pups figure out the best way to win is to eliminate the third. They attack. But they don't kill her. Instead, they limit her access to their mother's milk, eventually starving her to death. As the surviving sisters grow, they will continue to use their rank to steal food and bully others, serving as a reminder of who really is at the top.